Hello again there, beautiful friend. I'm Jess. Welcome back to my channel where I do mostly subscription box bag reviews and plus size haul. And today we are doing 2 subscription boxes. So we've got the Walmart beauty box. This beauty is around $7 and it's supposed to be come out every quarter, but I don't know if time is just flying by, but I feel like I swear I just did a Walmart box not too long ago. I don't know. And it usually comes with a few sample products, some beauty, some skincare, and of course, it comes from Walmart. So the second subscription I'm doing is Earfleek. So Earfleek is a long time runner here on my channel. They are super cute, simple earrings, of course, cheap earrings. They used to be $3.50, but they've also gone up in price just recently as well. So the thing is that they sent me this email not too long ago saying that they'd be sending me 3 at a time and charging me for all 3 at the same time to save on shipping, except the last 2 times I've gotten them, I've only gotten 2. So super random. I did get one random one in the mail by itself like a month after I got the last ones, which is so crazy. This time I only got 2 as well. So I don't know what's going on with that, but they are super cute earrings and they're cheap. 3 earrings I'm supposed to get are like $11 or $12. But before we do, let's do our loyal subscriber. Her name is Kimberly. Thank you so much, Kimberly. You are amazing. You guys keep me going. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the bell, hit the subscribe, hit all of the good stuff because you know it does help me out a lot. So which one are we gonna do first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's do Walmart. All right, here we go with our first look. So they sent us whatever this is. It talks about some of the products that I might have here in my box. So let's check it out. That's what it looks like. Okay, first product I am pulling out here. This is just the Hammer Toothpaste Complete Care, 3 times more plaque removal, whole mouth protection in fresh mint. So this is just, of course, a sample size or a travel size. And the full size product of this one is $3.47. Product number 1. Product number 2, this is the Neutrogena Invisible Daily Defense Face Serum Sunscreen. And this is 60 plus SPF, holy moly. So that's what it looks like. I know it's hard to read because of the camera, but it's a little tiny bottle there. It says it's water resistant and lasts for up to 80 minutes. And it's not on here, so I cannot tell you what the cost would be. That happens a lot with Walmart, but it's okay. Third product is another liquid IV, and I've said this before on my channel, we live on some liquid IV. Absolutely love it. This is the Pina Colada. Ooh, I've not tried the Pina Colada. Lemon Lime is my favorite. Pina Colada, I'm pretty excited about trying out. So you add this to water, and they say it's like, instead of drinking 1 cup of water, if you add this to it, it's like drinking 3 cups. I don't know, electrolytes, all that business, but good stuff. We like it. My boyfriend tends to get really dehydrated, so it works out really well for him. The full size comes with a 6-pack for $8.98. So if you have dehydration issues, liquid IV is the way to go. So that was product number 3. Product number 4 is an empty box. I'm not kidding. Look, it's empty. It's an empty box. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, I found it. This is the Hello SPF 15 Lip Balm. Okay, I have tried the Hello brand toothpaste. They have the charcoal toothpaste, and I like that one, but they sent it with the Walmart box like every single time for like 2 years. So I've got plenty of them. So that's what she looks like. I like it. I will never pass up a lip balm. It says OMG SPF. Vegan lip balm, broad spectrum 15 SPF in sweet mint with coconut oil. I'm actually really excited about trying this one out. So I'm not even gonna put it back in the box because I like it. So the Hello lip balm is $4.48. Product number 4. The next thing they put in here is Cetaphil, which I do love some Cetaphil. This is the Gentle Skin Cleanser, dry to normal sensitive skin. That's me, girl. Dry to normal, for sure. Hydrates as it cleanses to soothe and replenish skin's moisture. I will use that 100%. It's not on here either, so I can't tell you what the cost is, but that's okay. Cetaphil, I'm sure most of you guys have heard of this brand or have used it before in the past, so you know it is good stuff. Product number 5. Product number 6, and also our final product sample today. This is the Suave Up the Volume Shampoo and Conditioner with Amino Acid Complex. So it's supposed to moisturize and lift for workable hair with volume. Yes. So this is the Suave Pink Shampoo and Conditioner Volumizing, $4.98 per bottle. So for one of these, either shampoo or conditioner. So what'd you think? 6 products. I think it did pretty good, right? 6 products, that's a pretty good sample size. The box, once again, is like $7. I think it's really like $6.49 or something. I don't know, like that. It's almost $7. You like the Walmart box? Do you get the Walmart box? Did you get the same thing that I got? Because I like to compare. I'm pretty sure the Walmart box is still gonna be the cheapest subscription box, like beauty box out there. Of course, it's not just all beauty. It's like today you saw was mostly skincare, and I'm okay with that. I like skincare stuff. Let's move on to Earfleek. Always come in cute little pink mailers. Okay, so the first one that I pull out here, it has a little picture of them. Cute. This is the Gatsby, like the Great Gatsby. Inspired by the Roaring 20s, the Gatsby Earring features a shimmering gem and silver detail, paired with velvet or timeless elegance. Ooh, girl. All right, let's check them out. Ooh, they are pretty. Yes, I like them. I have earrings on right now, but what do you think? Yes, yes. Do I look like I could be in the Roaring 20s? That's my voice from the Roaring 20s. Pair number 1. Let's check out the other pair. These did not come with like a little description piece of paper like you saw on the last ones, but they are studs and they look like that. They're very hard to see, but they're just little gold triangle or diamond. That's not a triangle, that's a diamond. Yes. Gold diamond with a little cubic zirconia diamond in the middle. They did come with backs, so that's good because not all of them come with backs. The last pair did not come with backs, but they're just the little hook ones. But that's what they look like from the side. There you go. What do you think? Little cute little studs. Pair number 2. Woohoo! What'd you think? What'd you think about those 2 pairs of Earfleek? You think I should keep going with Earfleek? I mean, I really do enjoy earrings. I really love to try and wear a different pair of earrings on a regular basis. But honestly, like when I go to work, I wear like the same like 5 pair of earrings like all the time. So I probably could stop doing the Earfleek, but they're cute, right? You like seeing the Earfleek earrings? Tell me, let me know. Let me know in the comments if I should keep getting the Earfleek. These are a pair that I wear to work all the time. I got these from Shein and they were like $2, I think, but I wear black scrubs every day, so they go perfect with those. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of my video. What'd you think about the Walmart and the earrings, all the good stuff? If you have not, go ahead, hit that like button, hit the bell, hit the subscribe, hit all the good stuff because you know it does help me out a lot and it keeps me going. You are an amazing person, and I'll see you next time.